Welcome, mystical souls, to our journey into the spiritual world of amethyst, a crystal that has captured the hearts and minds of spiritual seekers for centuries. Amethyst is one of the most revered crystals in the spiritual community, known for its wide range of benefits. Today, we'll explore the profound impact this beautiful crystal can have on your spiritual practice. First and foremost, amethyst is renowned for its calming properties. It helps soothe the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a peaceful state of being. When life feels overwhelming, amethyst can be your go-to stone to restore tranquility. This crystal is a powerful tool for enhancing intuition and spiritual awareness. By opening the third eye chakra, amethyst helps you tap into your inner wisdom and gain deeper insight into the spiritual realms. Amethyst is also a formidable protector. It shields you from negative energies and psychic attacks, creating a barrier that keeps you safe from harm. Placing amethyst in your home or workspace can help maintain a positive, protected environment. Emotional healing is another powerful benefit of amethyst. This crystal helps release negative emotions like anger, fear, and grief, promoting emotional balance and inner peace. If you struggle with sleep or want to enhance your dream recall, amethyst is the perfect companion. Place it under your pillow to encourage restful sleep and vivid, meaningful dreams. Some even use it to aid in lucid dreaming. Amethyst is frequently used in meditation to deepen the practice. It clears the mind, increases focus, and helps connect you to higher spiritual realms. With amethyst, your meditation sessions can become more profound and transformative. Historically, amethyst was believed to prevent intoxication and promote sobriety. It clears the mind, improves mental clarity, and helps you make sound decisions, making it an excellent crystal for those seeking mental and emotional clarity. Amethyst is strongly associated with the crown chakra, the energy center linked to higher consciousness and spiritual connection. By balancing this chakra, amethyst strengthens your connection to the divine and enhances your spiritual growth. Amethyst can also amplify the energy of other crystals. It works in harmony with different stones to enhance their properties, making it a versatile addition to any crystal collection. So how can you harness the power of amethyst? Here are a few simple ways to integrate this crystal into your daily life. Use it during meditation to deepen your practice. Wear it as jewelry for continuous protection. Place it in your home for a calming atmosphere. Slip it under your pillow for better sleep and keep it in your workspace to enhance focus and clarity. To fully unlock amethyst's potential, you'll need to activate it. Start by cleansing it to remove any lingering negative energy. You can do this by smudging with sage, placing it in a bowl of salt, or holding it under running water. Then, charge your amethyst by placing it under the moonlight, especially during a full moon. Finally, set your intention by holding the crystal in your hands, visualizing it filling with positive energy that aligns with your spiritual goals. Amethyst is more than just a beautiful crystal. It's a powerful tool for spiritual growth, protection, and healing. By incorporating amethyst into your spiritual practice, you can tap into its vast benefits and elevate your journey to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of amethyst's spiritual power. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mystical insights. May your path be blessed with peace and clarity.